damn it!
Peter, are you all right?
No, I think you should call somebody. Ma'am, are you all right?
I can't breathe.
Oh, God, I think she punctured a lung. Ah, damn it. Look at my foot. It's already starting to swell up. God, I'm looking forward to this week. Freaking swelled foot all week.
You know, you should probably go ahead and shut that off.
Take your peeps and poops. That's gonna feel good for Jesse.
Damn it! Maybe if we make it mad, it'll come down here and we can catch it and get the finger. Hey, Bird! Your poop is white and green. You're the laughingstock of the poop world. Oh, yeah, I knew that would get you. Come here, you little son of a bitch. Come here. Stop it. Stop pecking me. Thanks, Joe.
But the sea, there's a hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hole in the bottom of the sea. Whoa, all right, we're getting a little faster here now. And you know what? I think there's something else down there in the bottom of the sea. Something that you'll be able to relate to. There's a tube in the throat of the elderly man in the hospital bed, on the frog, on the log, in the hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a tube in the throat of the elderly man in the hospital bed, on the frog, on the log, in the hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hole in the bottom of the sea. Oh, whoa, what is this? There's a birthday cake for Mr. Cohen on the frog, on the log, in the hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a birthday cake for Mr. Cohen in the hole in the bottom of the sea. Get a nurse, there's a hole. And I think it's wonderful you found a young lady willing to stoop to your level. When do I get to meet her?
No way.
Oh, I see. I get it. She's hideous.
She is not hideous.
Oh, well, let me ask you something. Does she have an alibi?
For what? Why would she need an alibi?
So you're saying she does not have an alibi?
Well, no.
Okay, so we've established she ain't got no alibi. She ugly. She ugly. U-G-L-Y. She ain't got no alibi. She ugly.
Screw off.
M. She's made you ugly. O. She's fat and pugly. Oh, my God, no, the cow says...